Hi, my name is Anya and today I really want to make a basic buttercream recipe, and if you like this video, give it a like, comment and subscribe to my channel for more videos, and don't forget to hit the notification bell to be notified every time I upload. Upload every day, Monday to Friday. In a bowl, cream together 160 grams of butter, add a pinch of salt and mix until well combined. Gradually add 200 grams of icing sugar. Now and then scrape down the sides of the bowl. And mix until smooth. Add in 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence. And mix until well combined.